Hi everybody, David Dillon here on behalf of Marksware. Today we're going to learn how to convert QuarkXPress files, .qxd or .qxp files, into Adobe Illustrator. Quark to Illustrator with just a couple clicks. Step 1. Download QXP marks from Marksware.com. If you don't want to buy the full version right away, there is a freebie version which will allow you to preview how the conversion would roundabout look. Step 2. Do a file open in QXP marks or simply drag and drop the Quark file onto the QXP marks icon. There you get the preview we just discussed. Look at that, we even convert old files from like 1999. From there, the conversion is simple. Just click Open in Illustrator. It's just an icon up there, the Illustrator icon. Click that one. Your file is now opening right up in Adobe Illustrator. Now you have a totally new .ai Adobe Illustrator file, which was just in QuarkXPress, locked up legacy content that is now freed up and available for you to use within Adobe Illustrator. But most importantly, with your legacy content converted right into, in this case, Illustrator for you. That's the tip for the day. QXP marks will transfer your documents, your QuarkXPress documents, into many other file formats. Check it out today over on Marksware.com, and I hope this has helped you. Before I go, please remember to follow us over on Twitter at Marksware. Maybe you can retweet this video.
You need a quick conversion, everything will be fine. Click the button, get converted, it's easy as pie. You think long ago, makes you wonder why. Now your documents converted while you stare at the sky.